Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to ZTE A75. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick multiple files you wish to send. I will only go with a few, just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom, got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect, by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!